Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk seed supplement. Is this brand really legit or it just another waste of money brand? Okay, or their product really work or not? And what are the things you need to keep in your mind before making any kind of purchase of any supplement on their official website? Okay, so in this video we are going to cover lots of information, so keep watching this video. First of all, if we talk about this brand is very popular and their product is also available on amazon.com, and as you know they have different kinds of product like prebiotics, multivitamin, sleep restore, and energy and focus. There are so many products. So the first question comes in mind, does their product really work? Yes, when you use any product related to your health, if brand is really good, and you know seed is a very popular brand, and I want to tell you this video is not a paid promotion, this is just only for a information purpose. So when you take any supplement which is manufactured by a good brand, it will give you results, and the results will not come overnight, or the results will not come instantly. It will take some time, like approx 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 12 weeks. It depends on person to person condition, person to person body requirement, person to person body condition. So there are lots of factors based on your, you can say, like performance, your body performance, and there are lots of things. The result depends on lots of factors, so we cannot say anything like when you will get results, but minimum time period is like 4 weeks, and after 4 weeks you will see lots of change in your body. And if we talk about like what are the main things you need to keep in your mind, you should purchase any product on their official website or not. Yes, you can make a purchase, and you can also make a purchase of any product on their Amazon store also. But my recommendation is, if you don't want to use their subscription model, then you should purchase their product on amazon.com, because when we checking reviews on Trustpilot, they have lots of reviews, and lots of reviews is complaining like subscription model, because as you know seed is providing subscription model, and when you make a purchase of any product on their website, they will activate subscription on your account, and they will provide you auto refills each and every month, and they will deduct money from your account. So to avoid these kind of problems, you can make a single time purchase on amazon.com if you don't want any subscription. So this is the only thing you need to keep in your mind, because when you make a purchase, their policy return and refund is not allowed, and because this product is related to health, and this product is you can say like the category of health related product is not applicable in return and refund. So the thing is, if you want to make a purchase, then you can go on amazon.com and you can make a purchase if you want only for one time purchase. If you want auto refills, then you can go on their official website and you can make a subscription. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and we will also cover their product in our upcoming videos. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.